Hello, today we're going to talk about winget. So winget is Microsoft's package manager and it allows you to easily install programs onto your system. So we're going to use this program to install our necessary components for our development environment. So in winget we can use the search function to search for packages with a certain name. So if I type in Python, it's going to yield to me all the results that have Python in their name. So there's a lot of them. Specifically, we're looking for Python 3.13. So we're going to use this one. So let's say we're trying to get a Python development environment started. We're going to type in winget install python.python.3.13. And along with that, I want to install Git. So it's going to be space git.git. And I want a text editor to go along with that. So I'm going to install VS Codium. And if I press enter, I'm probably going to get errors because I have these programs already installed on my computer. So after all that was done, here it said failed to install. I already have this on my computer. So if I want to install the Java compiler, I would run winget install oracle.jdk.22. And again, I also want to install Git along with that. VS Codium. And if I press enter, it's saying that I already have all these installed. So that's why I'm getting these errors. But if you don't have these installed, they will start installing. So I hope this was helpful to you.